Let's take a look at how to calculate an arithmetic mean in Google Sheets as well as in Desmos. What I'm about to show you works just as well in Microsoft Excel, and because we're dealing with the mean as opposed to, say, something in the future like standard deviation, we don't have to worry about, well, is it the sample mean or is it the population mean? Everything the same. All I do is I type in equals average. Notice I didn't type in mean, I typed in average. And then I highlight my data and I can just pick the column and I end up with my value right there, 3.7. What's nice here is I can increase or decrease the level of precision. I can always do this, by the way, I just want to show you, by increasing or decreasing the decimal places. So if I feel good with, say, 2 decimal places, or somebody asks me an answer out to 3 decimal places, then I can make that adjustment there. Let's take a look in Desmos and see how to do it in Desmos. Here you do type mean, you do not type average. So you put in mean and then you put parentheses and your answer or your data. So 1, 2, 3, and the average or the mean of 2 pops out at me. So that's it. That's how you do it.